Welcome to our Montessori math class. Teach your child primary level math through Montessori method in our free online class.
Hello children, today we are going to learn how to work on red and blue rods or number rods. Let's start. We are going to arrange this red and blue rod from shortest to longest. Now let's find the shortest rod in this group. Here it is. Let's move that down. Now from here to here, which one is the shortest rod? Let's find that. This one. Next shortest rod. Now between these two rods, which one is the shortest? This one. And this is the longest rod. This is the longest rod. We have arranged all our red and blue rods from shortest to longest. That's how you work on this rod. Here we are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.